Well, happy Sunday. Welcome to the farm. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to run the tractor over to the donkeys, and I got a compacted bale of hay that I'm going to give to them, and a salt block, a new salt block. We got a big one this time. We've been getting the small ones, and they like it, and but we're going to go ahead and give them a real big one and see how that goes. So I think along with going over to the donkeys, I think I'm going to give you a quick tour of the farm. So hope you enjoy it. Well, we made it over into the field, safe and sound. It's a bit chilly today. It's 39 degrees here in northern Kentucky, so had to put some gloves on. These are Ridge Cut gloves, work gloves. I tell you what, they're awesome. They keep my hands warm. They have the Thinsulate. So if you're looking for something like that, you want to get something like that with the Thinsulate. So as you can see, the donkeys are already here and waiting in anticipation for what I have. So we'll go ahead and get them their food and their treats. And they still have hay from last time. We had a big hay bale here, and as you can see, they kind of flattened it, but there's still some that they're eating, plus all the grass that they have to eat. But I love coming over and seeing them. I usually bring them apples, so I think that's what they're waiting for. So let me go ahead and get to it, and you guys could watch. Well, as you can see, the donkeys are loving it. That is a Timothy grass mix that we picked up at Tractor Supply today. They're enjoying it. As you can see, they're a bit skittish. Like I said, I think in several videos, that I don't get much time to come over here and brush them out, play with them, spend time with them. So they've kind of grown a bit skittish. You know, if you have animals like this, you want to make sure that you're investing the time with them and doing the work that needs to be done with them. We've kind of made a decision on the farm that, as you guys know, the donkeys they're here for livestock protection. And well, right now they're kind of like pets, but they are really bred for livestock protection. And we're not using them for that purpose right now. So my wife and I kind of decided that we're going to find another home for the donkeys. Well, and the kids too. We talked to the kids, and everyone is in agreement, because we can't really give them the time that we need to make that investment in them. And I think time investment in them and treating them right, that's the proper thing to do as a farm owner. So we're going to find a farm that needs donkeys, and we're going to gift that to that farm. As sad as we will be to see them leave, we just think it's the right thing to do at this season in our life with the farm. And down the road, as we get different animals, we may be looking to get more donkeys, so we certainly are enjoying them. We don't know much about equines. So it's been a journey with them, and they are so strong. I mean, you could use them for work, you know, like a workhorse, but a donkey. You know, and you could use them, you could ride them if you train them properly. And we just don't have the knowledge nor the time to do that, especially with me working out of town. So I would say that they'll be happier protecting animals and being at a farm that they have people have the knowledge of how to properly care for them. So now she's not doing it now, but a few minutes ago, Molly was eating that salt block. Looks like Audrey's doing it right now. They really like that salt block. Let me see if I can get a close up. All right, but looks like we made it back home. So I parked the Kubota here behind what we call Bantamore. Bantamore is Ziva's Bantam Coop. Let me tell you, these guys are mean. She loves them, but I tell you what, they love to attack people. So this little brown one right here, this little brown reddish one is called, that is Graham. I call him graham cracker because I'm going to eat him one day. And this one over here, that is Gilligan. Gilligan loves to attack me and beat me up. So I'm going to go get Ziva, and she's going to help on the tour. So this is Bantamore. Got a nice little porch here for Ziva to hang out with her chickens. Got the door. Lots of eggs in there. I don't know if you guys could see that. There they are. Her bantams seem to go broody. So yeah, see, look, Graham and Gilligan, they come running over here because I'm peeking in their house. I'll try to get by him. All right, so that's Bantamore. See if he... Graham likes to sneak up. All right. Ah! Gilligan. Gilligan got me. Gilligan. You guys missed it, but I wasn't lying to y'all. Gilligan got me. Just a little mud on the pant leg, but woo! All right, there's our brood of ducks. I don't know. Their little butts waddling. So that's the wattle house. You guys seen that? The kids cleaning that. But that's where the ducks reside, right down by our quarter-acre pond, fully stocked. So they like to hang out in there. This right here is our Ayam Cemani coop, and we have Ayam Cemanis, and then we have some more bantams in here, some boys, and one girl. The girl we put with the other coop, but she keeps on coming down here. But we'll go inside. The intention of this initially was to have the Ayams to separate them so we can breed them. They're gorgeous. But we would have Ayams on one side, and then the other side could be a hospital. But what we have in there is we got a bunch of chicks and a duck in here right now. So we have the chicks and a duck in here right now. But they're mad because I'm in their house. So anyways, but this is kind of their little area. All right, I just got the warning the battery's going dead. But this is our rabbit hutches. These are our breeders. This is Ziva's turkey coop. I don't think we have a name yet for it. She's gonna let them out for y'all to see. As you can see, they're pretty big. And they love to bite and peck shiny things. So I will try to keep the camera away from them. Ah! So we have several different breeds. We have chocolates. We have blue slate, bourbon red, and the Nagus Rex. So we're hoping that the breeding pairs will breed, and then we could sell the babies next year. They sound really neat.
Oh no, babe. Bye, turkeys. Dad, I'm gonna put them back inside now, okay? Turkeys!
Well, that was the turkeys. I'm sure you enjoyed that. I know we did. And then here's the last of our coops that we have. We have a triangle coop, and then we have our original chicken coop. People ask sometimes how many chickens we have. I don't know, I lost count. But we have Appleyard ducks in here as well. And we are breeding the Appleyard ducks, so we keep them separate from the other ones. And again, I took carpentry in high school, but I don't know how to build stuff. I mean, it's all just, I get it in my head and I just put it together. So nothing is perfect, but it's functional, and that's what matters. Looks like we're gonna have to add a little bit more water for the ducks. Well, thank you so much for coming along today with me on the farm. I hope you enjoyed yourself. I hope you got to enjoy the farm. We have a lot going on here. You know, we have an apple orchard. We get apricots, peaches, pears. I had planted some blueberry plants last year. So I'm really looking forward to the spring and things to start to grow again. I have a message that I'm going to play. I hope you enjoy yourself. And it's just a Christmas message from me to you. Have a wonderful week. Be blessed.